South Korea to begin series production of locally developed 120 mm self-propelled mortar system. This system has been integrated into an M113 type tracked armored personnel carrier. The integrated mortar system, which can rotate 360 degrees, is stated to have a strike range greater than that of the aging M30 107 mm rifled mortar it is expected to replace. It is equipped with an automated fire control and a semi-automatic loading system. The system weighs less than 1,400 kilograms, has a maximum rate of fire of 10 rounds per minute for 3 minutes, a sustained rate of fire of 3 rounds per minute, and a firing range of 8 km for high explosive rounds and of 13 km for rocket-assisted projectiles.